Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the screen blinking problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar on the taskbar and search for Settings. Then click to open it. In Settings, click on Update and Security. After that, select Windows Update from the left panel. Here, check if any Windows updates are available. If updates are pending, install them and wait for the process to complete. Now, let's try another method. Again, click on the search bar on the taskbar and search for Device Manager. Then, click to open it. In Device Manager, expand the Display Adapters section. Here, you'll see your graphics adapter. Right-click on the adapter and check for driver updates. If an update is available, install it. If updating doesn't help, you can uninstall the display adapter driver and then restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. After completing these steps, restart your PC. In many cases, updating Windows and reinstalling or updating the display driver can fix the screen blinking problem. And that's it. This is how to fix the screen blinking problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.